Namaste and welcome to another session on Cosmic Torch. In this session, I'm going to show you a horoscope analysis. So let me share the screen. The software that I'm using is True Astrology software. So this is the horoscope. After you enter the details, the birth details, time of birth, place of birth, and date of birth, you will get this chart. In one of my videos, I have posted how to use the True Astrology software. Those of you who don't know how to use it, you can watch that video. Now, this horoscope is of a person who asked me to check whether there is a job loss at this point of time. Is there a job loss? So, how do you analyze it? Well, the chart that you get, the first thing that you have to see is look for the dasha running. You'll go to this show current dasha. Is running Mercury Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha. These Mahadasha and Antardasha data is enough to analyze as of now. You can go to Pratyantardasha, Sukshma and Prana if required later. But for this analysis, we'll stick to Mahadasha and Antardasha. So he is running Mercury Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha. Now look for the significations of these planets. Mercury is the 11th lord and it's also the second lord. So 211, second house is responsible for wealth. It covers the wealth aspect, and 11 is wish fulfillment. So long as you have 2 and 11 running, you will have wealth coming. So from this Mahadasha period, you can see there is no job loss. Now let us look at what is the case with Antardasha. Antardasha planet is Saturn. Saturn is the 6th lord. 6th and 7th lord. Okay. Now, the 6th and 7th, 6 means a daily routine, 6 means a job, 6 means getting a salary, 7 is interaction with another person. And this person works with an organization that has dealings with foreign countries. So it is a kind of an interaction with another person, or you have somebody on the other side with whom they have a kind of dealing. So Saturn is also the 7th lord, so that can also be seen. Now, if you look at this 6, so significations running are, you take 6 is running, 11 is running, 2 is running. So the job, wealth acquisition, and wish fulfillment is there. Now, what you have to say is, you also have to look at the cuspal sublords. You can see here from this cuspal positions table, 10th cuspal sublord is Saturn. So that is 10 is Karmasthana. So long as you have the 10th house signification running, you will be doing a karma, a job. So 10, whenever you look for a job, the occurrence of getting a job or being in job, you have to look for 2, 6, 10 and 11. So now you can see Saturn is the significant of the 10th cusp. It is also the significator of 6th cusp. You can see it is also the 6th cuspal sublord. Saturn is the 6th cuspal sublord. It is the 10th cuspal sublord. And where is it? Under which control, which planet's control is it? You can see Saturn is in the nakshatra of Mercury. It is in the sub of Mercury. The sublord of Saturn is Mercury. Star lord of Saturn is also Mercury. Star lord has got a great power. So we have already seen the significations of Mercury. Mercury is the 2nd and 11th lord. However, it is sitting in the 12th house. But then the 12th house signification is not very strong. So long as this person runs Mercury, Saturn, Dasha, Mercury Mahadasha, Saturn Antardasha, there cannot be a job loss. So from the cuspal table or data also you can see, and what should you keep in mind when you are looking for a job loss? What significations should run? The negation of all these. We have seen 2, 6, 10, 11. They are for the job continuance. If you want a pause, if you want a break, just negation for 2 is 1. Negation for 6 is 5. Negation for 10 is 9. Negation for 11 is 10, of course, but then you don't see it that way. If at all you have 10, that indicates a karmasthana. But if you see these significations, the negation of 2, if you have 1 running, You have 1 running, you have 5 running, you have 9 running, you have 12 running, then you can be sure that there is going to be a pause in the job. So this is how you analyze for this particular aspect. Deeper analysis can be done. We don't only consider the lordship of the planet, we also see where it is placed. And here you can see Mercury is combust with Sun, but combustion has got some other aspect to cover. It is not for job loss. Combustion is really, Mercury combustion is related to communication problem. So you also have to look for the placement. Now you see here Saturn is present in the 8th house and it is retro. These things have to be considered, but this doesn't indicate a job loss here. So this does not show any job loss signification. So this person is safe as of now. So that is how you analyze. You want a further analysis of your own horoscope or you have a specific query, you can get in touch with me. You can contact for any astrological query either on WhatsApp on my number or you can text here in the comment box as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have seen. None of my videos have any time waste session. I directly go into the topic. I don't drag the issue unnecessarily. And I don't hold you for, if there is an 8-minute video, I don't hold you for 7.5 minutes and give you the crux within half minute. Whatever content I deliver within whatever time the video is for, you have the whole information throughout the video. There is no time waste program here. So those who are watching for the first time can also go through my other videos where I have mentioned several points. There are astrological remedies related videos. There are horoscope analysis related videos. So some stotras, several things I have covered. In none of the videos there is any dragging issue. So you must have respect for that kind of a content being presented. So do subscribe, share it among your friends and relatives, refer your friends and relatives for any kind of astrological analysis. Do not go after astrologers spending money unnecessarily. I call a spade a spade. If you think that your astrologer is disappointing, but that nothing cannot be done about it. Whatever is there in the horoscope, the exact information will be passed on to you. Of course, for several problems, you have remedies. No, for all problems, you don't have remedies, but the remedies can definitely help you to reduce the magnitude of the problem you have in your life. So, all the best. Please keep watching my forthcoming videos also. You can also go back and watch the earlier posted videos and share your feedback.